Imagine if you could capture a human actor with just an iPhone, and then in minutes create a hyper-realistic digital twin capable of delivering a performance that looks straight out of a Hollywood production. Well, now you can.
I will show them how to see as I do. I will not appease your gods. I will destroy them.
The advancements in technology have brought us to a point where we can now capture human actors with just an iPhone and create a hyper-realistic digital twin in a matter of minutes. This technology has been pioneered by Epic, a well-known animation company, and their demo has shown a full-body motion-captured performance that looks like it could be straight out of a Hollywood production. What's incredible about this technology is that the performance hasn't been polished or enhanced in any way by human editors, and it took just minutes to process from start to finish. This breakthrough in animation technology is a huge step forward, as it allows any actor to create a digital twin in just a matter of minutes that is capable of delivering a performance that is nearly indistinguishable from reality. The potential for this technology is incredible, especially for the next generation of budding actors and movie producers. This technology opens up a whole new world of possibilities for actors who want to create their own digital performances, and for movie producers who want to create hyper-realistic digital versions of their actors. Epic has also announced that it's now possible to do captures like this in almost the same quality with just an iPhone. This means that this technology is not only accessible to big-budget Hollywood productions, but to anyone with an iPhone. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for amateur filmmakers and actors who want to create their own hyper-realistic digital performances. This breakthrough in animation technology is truly next level. The ability to capture human actors with just an iPhone and create hyper-realistic digital twins in a matter of minutes opens up a whole new world of possibilities for actors and filmmakers alike. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on the latest technology advancements. Thank you for watching.